In life, we often need some extra space for our things. For example, during a renovation, relocation, or when we have too little room in a flat or office. Więcej Miejsca, which means more space, will help you gain additional space to live without an effort or leaving home. How does it work? It's easier than you think. Place an order online on więcej.pl and choose the date of the pickup of items. We will take care of the rest. We will deliver ecological storage boxes to your doorstep. You can pack them by yourself or with our help. In case you have too many hanging clothes, you can store them with us in special cardboard wardrobes. We also store furniture and other large items for you if something can't fit into the box. Our experienced team will secure everything and transport it to our safe warehouse. Store with us as much and for as long as you want, for a reasonable price. To get your stuff back, just check your stuff online, select what you need, and we will deliver that to you. Enjoy the additional space today. Więcej Miejsca, storing things made easier.